Experiment 29A, quicker than quicksand. Ingredients needed from kit, packet number 1, which is your cornstarch. Tools needed from home, a baking sheet or mixing tray, a spoon, a pitcher of water, and any small object to bury. We're going to be using this blue cap. Directions: pour the water into the mixing tray. Next, pour some cornstarch into the tray a little at a time and mix it around with a spoon. Try to skim your finger across the top or write a message. Does the message disappear? Part B of Experiment 29. Use the quicksand that we just made. Place your small object you took from home, which is our blue cap, into the quicksand and see what happens.